Understanding Payoneer, a gateway to seamless global payments. In the ever-evolving landscape of freelancing where borders are blurred and talents traverse the globe, the need for a seamless and reliable payment solution becomes paramount. Payoneer, standing at the intersection of financial innovation and the freelance revolution, emerges as a pivotal player in transforming the way freelancers manage their global transactions. A. Overview of Payoneer as an international payment platform. At its core, Payoneer is more than just a payment platform. It's a gateway that connects freelancers to their earnings with unprecedented ease. B. Key features and benefits for freelancers. C. How Payoneer differs from traditional payment methods. To truly appreciate the power of Payoneer, it's essential to contrast it with conventional payment methods. This section draws comparisons, highlighting the agility, speed, and cost-effectiveness that set Payoneer apart. The digital era demands financial solutions that keep pace, and Payoneer emerges as a dynamic alternative that aligns seamlessly with the demands of modern freelancers. As freelancers embark on their global payment journey, understanding Payoneer's core functions and advantages lays the groundwork for an empowered financial experience. The subsequent sections will unravel the practical aspects of setting up a Payoneer account, navigating global payments, and integrating Payoneer into the intricate fabric of freelancing workflows. Ready to elevate your freelance game? Dive into the ultimate guide to Payoneer for global payments and freelancing. Discover the power of Payoneer. Unleash the full potential of your freelance career with insights on setting up your Payoneer account, navigating global payments, and optimizing your workflows. Real stories, real success. Learn from freelancers who have transformed their careers using Payoneer. Their journeys and triumphs are not just inspiring but filled with practical tips you can apply to your own freelance ventures. Secure your financial future. Explore the robust security measures Payoneer employs to safeguard your transactions and gain peace of mind as you navigate the global freelancing landscape. 2. Setting up a Payoneer account, a gateway to global transactions. Embarking on the journey of global freelancing necessitates a solid foundation, and creating a Payoneer account is the initial cornerstone. This section serves as a step-by-step guide, demystifying the process of setting up a Payoneer account and empowering freelancers to seamlessly connect with clients and receive payments worldwide. A step-by-step guide on creating a Payoneer account. Navigating the Payoneer onboarding process is simplified through a detailed step-by-step guide. From accessing the registration page to providing necessary personal and professional information, freelancers gain clarity on each stage of the account creation journey. B. Verification processes and security measures. Security is paramount in the realm of online financial transactions. Key advantage of Payoneer is its integration with numerous freelancing platforms. This section provides of global payments with Payoneer, offering freelancers a comprehensive understanding of how to send, receive, and manage their earnings seamlessly across borders. A. Exploring Payoneer's currency conversion and exchange rates. One of Payoneer's standout features is its prowess in handling diverse currencies. Freelancers learn how Payoneer facilitates currency conversion with competitive exchange rates, ensuring that cross-border transactions are not only efficient but also financially advantageous. This insight enables freelancers to make informed decisions, optimizing their earnings in various global currencies. B. Seamless fund transfers and withdrawal options. Expedited payment processing. Payoneer emerges as a strategic ally in overcoming the hurdles associated with case studies of freelancers. Benefiting from Payoneer, real-world success stories bring the theoretical into practical focus. Through case studies, freelancers learn from their peers who have successfully integrated Payoneer into their freelance journeys. These narratives illustrate diverse approaches, showcasing how freelancers across different industries and expertise levels have optimized their workflows and financial transactions with Payoneer. Armed with insights on receiving payments, integrating Payoneer seamlessly, and drawing inspiration from real success stories, freelancers are equipped to navigate their freelance journeys with increased efficiency and financial dexterity. As the guide progresses, subsequent sections will delve into the security measures of Payoneer, customer support, and the broader landscape of educational resources available to freelancers. 5. Fees and charges. Navigating the financial landscape with Payoneer. In the realm of global freelancing, understanding the financial nuances of any payment platform is pivotal. This section delves into the fee structure of Payoneer, elucidating the costs associated with its services, and provides freelancers with insights on optimizing their financial transactions while minimizing expenses. A detailed breakdown of Payoneer's fee structure. Transparency is paramount when it comes to financial transactions. Here, freelancers gain a comprehensive understanding of Payoneer's fee structure, including charges for currency conversion, withdrawals, and other applicable fees. A detailed breakdown ensures clarity on the financial aspects of utilizing Payoneer as a global payment solution. B. Comparisons with other payment platforms. Contextualizing Payoneer's fees within the broader landscape of payment platforms is essential. This section offers comparisons with other popular payment methods, providing freelancers with insights into how Payoneer's costs fare in relation to its competitors. Such comparisons empower freelancers to make informed decisions based on their individual financial priorities. C. Tips for minimizing fees for freelancers. Armed with a comprehensive understanding of Payoneer's fee structure, freelancers are guided through practical tips to minimize costs effectively. From selecting optimal withdrawal methods to strategically planning transactions, these tips empower freelancers to make conscious decisions that align with their financial goals. Understanding the financial dynamics of utilizing Payoneer ensures that freelancers not only maximize their earnings, but also navigate the global financial landscape with fiscal prudence. As freelancers proceed through this section, they gain the knowledge needed to wield Payoneer as a powerful tool for global transactions, while optimizing their financial strategy in the ever-evolving world of freelancing. 6. Security measures and compliance. Safeguarding your freelance finances with Payoneer. As freelancers traverse the global marketplace, ensuring the security of their financial transactions is paramount. This section explores the robust security measures implemented by Payoneer, providing freelancers with a comprehensive understanding of the protective layers in place and how Payoneer aligns with international financial regulations. A. Overview of Payoneer's security protocols. Freelancers can rest assured knowing that Payoneer prioritizes the safeguarding of their financial data. This part delves into the security protocols Payoneer employs, including encryption, multi-factor authentication, and proactive monitoring. Understanding these measures instills confidence in freelancers, ensuring the integrity and confidentiality of their sensitive information. B. Compliance with international financial regulations. Navigating the complexities of international financial regulations is a significant aspect of global freelancing. Here, freelancers gain insights into how Payoneer aligns with and adheres to these regulations. Compliance not only ensures a secure financial environment, but also demonstrates Payoneer's commitment to ethical and legal financial practices. See steps freelancers can take to enhance account security. While Payoneer maintains robust security measures, freelancers play a crucial role in fortifying their accounts. This section provides practical steps and best practices freelancers can implement to enhance the security of their Payoneer accounts. From password management to staying vigilant against phishing attempts, freelancers gain actionable insights to actively contribute to their account security. By understanding and leveraging Payoneer's security measures and compliance practices, freelancers can confidently navigate the global freelance landscape ecosystem that empowers freelancers on their financial journey. A. Exploring Payoneer's customer support services. Freelancers encounter a dedicated support system with Payoneer, ensuring they are never alone in their financial endeavors. This part provides an overview of Payoneer's customer support services, including channels of communication, response times, and the comprehensive assistance freelancers can expect. Understanding the avenues available for support equips freelancers to navigate challenges with confidence. B. Access to educational resources and guides for freelancers' education is pivotal in the evolving landscape of freelancing and global payments. Here, freelancers discover the wealth of educational resources Payoneer provides. From guides on optimizing currency exchange to tutorials on leveraging advanced features, freelancers gain access to a repository of knowledge that empowers them to make informed decisions in their financial transactions. See community forums and networking opportunities for Payoneer users. Beyond individual support, Payoneer fosters a sense of community among its users. This section explores the community forums and networking opportunities available to freelancers within the Payoneer ecosystem. From sharing experiences to seeking advice, freelancers can connect with their peers, creating a collaborative environment that adds a social dimension to their global freelancing journey. 8. Success stories. Freelancers thriving with Payoneer. Embarking on the final leg of our journey through the ultimate guide to Payoneer, this section illuminates the real-life success stories of freelancers who have harnessed the power of Payoneer to elevate their global freelance careers. These narratives offer not only inspiration, but tangible insights into how Payoneer has become an indispensable ally in their pursuit of professional success. A. Showcasing diverse paths to success. B. Testimonials and lessons learned. journeyed from novices to seasoned professionals, share their insights on how they seamlessly integrated Payoneer into their workflows. Their experiences shed light on the adaptability and scalability of Payoneer. The concluding section will summarize the key takeaways, leaving freelancers inspired and empowered to navigate the dynamic landscape of their freelance careers with Payoneer. A recap of key takeaways. Recall the foundational elements explored in this guide. Setting up a Payoneer account, understanding its features and benefits, navigating global payments, optimizing workflows, and tapping into the wealth of resources and support it offers. These form the pillars on which freelancers can build a resilient and prosperous freelance career. B. Payoneer as a catalyst for global success. Payoneer transcends the role of a payment platform. It is a catalyst for global success. Its versatility in handling currencies, robust security measures, and integration into freelance workflows make it a powerhouse in the hands of freelancers navigating the complexities of a global marketplace. C. Empowering freelancers in a connected community. Together, we thrive in the ever-evolving world of freelancing. Check our playlist to empower your freelance journey. Whether you're a seasoned freelancer or just starting, this ultimate guide equips you with the knowledge and tools needed to navigate the complexities of global payments and take your freelance career to new heights. Ready to embark on a journey of financial empowerment and global success? Hit play now and make Payoneer your trusted ally in the world of freelancing.